Hi, today I'm going to present the pen cleaners for firewalls from 2.5 to 1.25. This cleaner works with connectors and also with adapters. It only takes one click, so it's very easy to use and to clean the fibers. Now we are going to start to clean the 2.5 firewall. For that we need to remove the dust cap, then open this lid of this plastic accessory, place it in place, just make some pressure 2 times, it's better for cleaning, and it's all done. We can protect the firewall again, or we can connect to an adapter. To clean the adapter, it's very easy, just remove this dust cap. For cleaning the adapter, we need to close this lid, remove this plastic accessory, and then introduce it inside, little pressure, 1 click, 2 clicks, and it's all done. For the 1.25, the procedure is the same. So for that we need to remove this dust cap, open this lid, introduce it, making some pressure, once again 2 clicks, and it's cleaned. To clean the adapter, just remove this dust cap from the adapter, install the connector, and once again we need to close this lid, remove the plastic accessory, place it in place, and 2 clicks, and it's all done. So the cleaning is all done. This procedure is not used very much by the technicians. It's understandable to a certain point, because this avoids serious problems in the network, in the fiber network. So every time that the technician has to do some maintenance or installation of fibers, please remember, dust cap always on. Before finish the job, please clean it with the correct tool. This will avoid the issues that you may encounter in your fiber network.